Hi guys, welcome back to Writer's Workshop. And today it's going to be a little bit different than what we've been working on. You're still using writing conventions, capitalizing your first letter, using periods at the end of your sentence, spacing out your words, sounding out letters when you're writing. But we are going to do a little creative writing today. I'm going to be showing you two pictures or three, and you need to decide which picture you want to write about. Now, if you remember when we talked about writing before, our words need to match our picture. So if you choose a picture, you're going to have to create a story about that picture. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the two pictures, and then I will model for you how to create journal number 9, which is to write a story about what's happening in that picture. So your words are going to have to match one of the pictures. So you get to pick which one you want to write about, and I look forward to seeing what you have to write. So let me go ahead and model that for you and show you those two pictures. Okay, boys and girls, so here's one of the pictures. And I will put these pictures on Canvas so you can see them, or you can always just pause the video. But here's the first picture, so you can write a story about what's happening in this picture. I have another one if I keep scrolling a little bit down. Here's another picture. There's a lion here and a lady. It looks like they're having a chat, guys. So here's another picture. And there's one more. Oh, look how sweet. So you can pick one of these three pictures to write what is happening in the picture. And I think I'm going to go ahead with this lion one. I find this picture quite interesting. And if you decide that you want to try a different picture and find a different picture, you can do that, but you're going to have to show me what that picture is so I can see that your words match your writing. So now that you know which picture I'm going to be using, I'm going to go ahead and model the writing about what's happening in this picture, or what I think is happening in this picture. All right, boys and girls. So I already went ahead and wrote the date up on top. So it says May 8th, 2020. Make sure you're putting a date on your journals. And then I have here journal 10. And the goal of this journal is to write what's happening in the picture, right? And I showed you that picture of the lion and the lady inside the tent. So I'm going to have to write what I think is happening. So I'm just going to write, I think there was a lonely lion. So there was a lonely lion. And I think he was looking for a friend. So he was looking for a friend. So here we go. Capitalize the beginning of my sentence. That is why the H in he is an uppercase H. He was looking for a friend. So I'm sounding it out. He was looking for a friend. Period. Because that's the end of my sentence. And I'm going to put, he saw a lady in a tent. So he, again, the H is going to be capitalized because it's the beginning of a sentence. He saw a lady in a tent. I'm going to sound that out. And when he saw the lady in the tent, I think he went to go ask her if she wanted to come out and have tea. So he and want is a sight word, want, and then wanted, ed. We're going to add ed to the end. He wanted to be, two more sight words, her friend. invited, and if you're not sure how to spell some words, you can either sound them out or you can ask somebody in your family to help you spell them out. He invited her, it's another side word, her to T-E-A. So that's what I think is happening in that picture, and I made my story and added words to match that picture. So you can draw your own version of the picture right here, or you can also, if you can, print it out and paste it on if you want, or if you can find some magazine cutouts with a line, you can glue those on. There's lots of creative ways that you can add a picture, not just by drawing. All right, you guys, I look forward to seeing how creative you get and telling me what is happening in those pictures. All right, guys, see you in the next video.